Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. When body completely surrendered, Atmanivedam, so it is hate to put the third, fifth, that by he completely surrendered into Supreme Personality Godhead. So, Personality Godhead protected him, gave him protection, and made all arrangements for his maintenance. Him down to Sutala planet, but so much opulence, immense opulence was there, isn't it? And they assure him, you will see me there, my Sudarshan Chakra will protect you. I am there at your gate, Dwarpal, Durgopal, this Durgopal. It's assured. And this opulence eternally will be there. Nobody can take it away from you. Because Krishna gives protection. Supreme Lord gives protection. You understand? So, opulence comes from Krishna, from the Supreme Lord, is inexhaustible. You understand? It cannot be exhausted. It is eternally there. Opulence received by Karmukhi Sukruti as a result of pious activity is exhaustible. Khine punye matya lokom visanti. Do you understand? Gita says. Khine punye matya lokom visanti. Those who perform pious activities, they are elevated to the heavenly planets. There is much opulence. They enjoy, but it is exhaustible. It becomes exhausted. Then again they fall down here. But the opulence given by Krishna, given by Lord Hari, Vishnu, is inexhaustible. Nobody will take it away. It is inexhaustible. Do you understand? And Krishna gives protection inside. It is eternally there. It will never go away from them. Do you understand? So, Durga means that which doesn't go away, that is Jinn. That is Durga. That is Durga power. Prabhupada explains this thing. The word Durga means that which doesn't go very easily. So, the body lords of opulence, which will never go away from you. Krishna, or Hari, protection. Do you understand? Even Kala cannot destroy it. Yes, Kala destroys everything. Consequently, everything is destroyed by Kala. But Kala cannot destroy. Kala means time factor. Cannot destroy it because it is protected by Krishna, by Lord Hari. No weapon can destroy it. Yes. No weapon can destroy it. Even Kala, eternal time cannot destroy it. Because, my dear devotees, I am, for my devotees I am their friend, their kith and kin, their son, their guru, their well-wishing friend, Supreme Lord, and everything for them. They have accepted me as everything. So, they will never be bereft of this Aishwarya opulence I give them. I give them protection. I maintain that. Do you understand? This is proved in this life of Bali Maharaj. Mahadanas, Acharyas, Shastra says this thing, Mahadanas, Acharyas, they say so. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Jevagono, Tabodas Vagono, Pare Tabo, Ajñar Parana. Tabo Ichamate, Jato, Grahogono Virato, Subhasua Phalokare Dan, Rog Sok Mrittu Hoy, Tabo Ichamate Hoy, Tabo Ajñar Sada Bhagavan. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Oh Lord, if you want to kill anybody, can anybody protect him? Huh? If you want to kill anybody, nobody can give him protection. Because everything is under your control. You understand? You have supreme will. Supreme will. Everything takes place according to your will. All the demigods headed by Brahma, they are all your order carriers, das, servants, all execute your order. तब इच्छा मते जत ग्रहगण अविरत सुवास फल करे दान रोग शोक मृत्यु भय तब इच्छा मते হয় तब आज्ञा सदा बलवान. Obeying your will, according to your will, all the auspicious and inauspicious grahas, planets, they give result. You understand? Executing your will, order. Roga soga mrityu to ichha mate ho. Disease comes, lamentation comes, death comes, all come according to your will. Yes. Because your will is supremely powerful. Yes. तव भय वायु भय चंद्र सूर्य समुदय सो नियमित कर्म करे तुम तो परमेश्वर परम ब्रह्म परात्पर तव दास भगति अंतरे. The Vayu, wind god, blows, obeying your will, executing your order, your will. Sun and moon, they give light and heat. Sun gives light and heat. Moon gives light. Obeying your order. Tumi ta Parameshwara Param Brahma Paratpara Das Bhagavatam. You are Parameshwara, Supremeshwara, Param Brahma. You always stay in the heart of your dear devotee. Sada Suddha Siddha Kama Bhagatavassalana. Bhagat Jane Nitya Swami. তুমি তো রখিবে যারে কে তারে মারতে পারে সকল বিধির বিধি তুমি. You are Bhaktavatsala, you are very dear to your devotees, you are eternal master of your devotees, well-wishing friend of everyone your devotees. If you want to give protection to anybody, can anybody kill him? No, he is your only protector. Many examples are there. Parikshit Maharaj, when he was in mother's womb, Uttara's womb, the son of Drona, Aswasthana, released Brahmastra to kill, to destroy the womb of Uttara. But Uttara offered prayer to Lord Krishna. Oh Krishna, let me die, let my body finish, but give protection to the child in my womb. So, Krishna gave protection. Even Brahmastra couldn't do anything. You understand? That is what. Tumi to rokhibe jare ke tare matter. If you want to give protection to anybody, can anybody kill him? You understand? The terrorists are coming and setting up bombs. In Bombay, so many such explosions was there. Thousands were killed. So, but if you really surrender unto the lotus feet of Krishna, the bomb will never kill you. Others may be killed, but you may not be killed. You will be protected. Yes, that is what Krishna, only Krishna is the only protector. He will give you protection. Krishna Khyokar Palaka Amar, Krishna is my protector, Krishna is my maintainer. Yes. Tomar Charanat Koriyachi Pranipad Bhakati Vinoda Tavadas, Vipada Hoite Swami. Avasya tahare tumi rakhiye tahare vishwas. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, O Lord, I am completely surrendered at your lotus feet. Completely, 100% surrendered. Not partially, not conditionally, not artificially. True surrender, complete surrender. Then protection is assured. Guaranteed. Have faith in it. Faithless person. You have no faith? Yes. You have no faith in it. Therefore you suffer. Yes. This is Vishwas. He says, Vipad hoite swami, avasya tahare tumi rakhibe tahare Vishwas. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, I have unfailing faith in it. Oh my Lord, you must protect me from all sorts of calamities, dangers.